Today I'm going to show you how you can make this DIY wrapping paper. So stay tuned if you want to learn more. He doesn't want to know how. Today we're just doing an easy DIY wrapping paper. I've got everything laid out here that I'm going to need. I have pre-cut the wrapping paper to the size of the box that I'm using. And all we're going to do is just use some white paint, any size paintbrush really. This is a 1/2 inch. I've just got a little thing here to put the paint in. Come on. Oh, here's my assistant. Oh, hello. This is Gibbs. Can you say hello? Can you put your paw right here? Paw. Can I have? Thank you. Thank you. The wrapping paper that I'm going to be making today is for a bridal shower gift. So I'm just going to be doing little white X's and O's. And I'm just going to use some, these little houses from Target as weights to hold it down in the corners. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just going to start drawing X's and O's. And I don't want it to look perfect, so the sloppier the better, really. Bye. And I kind of like to do them diagonally from the corners of the paper so it doesn't look so perfect. Can you hear him with his toy? You really don't want to do too much paint because it's going to take forever to dry if you really cake it on. So if you're doing this same technique for your table runner, kind of tablecloth like I did, you want to get a little bit closer on the edges. So just have some scrap sheets of paper nearby that you can tuck underneath if you don't have anything else underneath, so that you can kind of get those edges a little tighter. But for this, I'm not as worried about it because the edges aren't really going to be shown. And then so this row I started with X, so now I'm going to start with O, but maybe I'll just start with 1/2 of one or something. And when you're doing this, I always recommend to start on one end. Don't start right in the middle, because maybe you change your technique and you like how you do it after a while. You don't want those first few that you did right in the middle that you're going to see when you look at it. I'm back, and I just finished painting the entire sheet, and I'm just going to give it 15 or 20 minutes to dry. And while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to go ahead and clean my brush, and this thing, I don't know what it's called. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes and it looks like everything is dry, so I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping. mixing bowls. It's off of their registry, and so then I just went ahead and also got these wooden spoons off of their registry, and I'm gonna add those on the top. I'm gonna take them out of this package. And before I even try and put them on here, I'm gonna tie them together. I'm gonna use the hemp for this. So many of these, I'm tying 3 together, and then I'm going to add these other 2 on top. I'm going kind of thick with this, so they stay together, and I think it looks kind of cute thicker. And then I'm going to tie the knot on the back, just so it's hidden, and if I have like loose strings that they're not sticking out and looking tacky on the top of. And then I've also got these cute little red doilies. These are from the dollar section in Target this year. So I think I might use one of these as kind of like a gift tag. And I think I'm going to go grab the double-sided tape now, and I'll tape this kind of like up at the top in one of the corners and right on it there. And then these spoons can be the focal point so that it'll kind of look like this. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I've got my double-sided tape, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick that heart right here. For these, you really have to get the outside edge, or they're kind of like peel up. So I only went around the outside edge. I didn't put any in the middle. Just gonna stick it on. That edge is peeling up, so I'm gonna add a little bit. There we go. I hate it when that happens.